big one. Might turn into a hand line.
Okay. Fish on.
Bradley, you're up.
Fish on, Bradley.
Somebody grab this rod.
You're up, buddy.
I guess I'm up.
You're up.
That was the wildest thing ever.
That's a crazy start.
Good start.
How to work it, Bradley.
First place.
Okay.
Standing in the middle.
Everybody back and forth. You got it.
Don't pinch line. We're in freshwater. Light line. Don't touch the drag. Don't pinch the line. Ever again. You're gonna be in my way all day long.
Yeah. Just keep smiling for the camera. Right. Whoa. Fish on.
What kind of fish is this? Rainbow trout. That's a steelhead. Yup.
With a damn lamprey on him, too.
Yup.
Or the lamprey's off.
Well, he's off, but he was on.
Yeah, he was there.
Mr. Steelhead, that was pretty interesting. I've had that happen before, but never quite like that on a big old beat rig. He just decided to try it. Came right up and bit it. He wasn't going anywhere.
Looking pretty to cross the line.
Swallowed that bugger.
Nice.
Sweet.
Nice.
Go, buddy. Good job.
Well done.
Doesn't get any easier than that. My first one!
Was he silverhead?
Steelhead.
Steelhead.
Get in the camera.
Good size.
Get him, Bradley. Oh yeah. Doubled up.
Bring it back to the boat. Get the back corner. Just gotta make sure these fish don't get tangled up.
Yeah.
It's kind of a good time to have this diver out of the water. Gives me a little room.
Good job, Bradley. How to keep the tension on her.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Keep coming. Keep fighting. You guys gotta switch though. Go underneath Brad. Go underneath him.
Good job, good job.
Go back to the left. And then go to the right. Go back to the left. Go back to the left. Go on top of this diver.
Oh yeah, got it.
Alright, just gonna keep dragging on him.
Johnny, you had him surfing the wave. How to keep it tight. Good job, Bradley. How to work it.
Going in front of you.
Got it. Got it. Back in the corner.
Yeah, stay over there on the right.
Doubled up here on wet net charters. Captain Matt Yablonsky.
Tight, tight.
John's closest to the boat first. He's got a honker.
Don't go backward. Don't go backward. Come on, a little bit. Back to the right. Down that side. Don't pinch the line. Good size sometimes. Hold on one more time. Stay there. Don't walk backwards. Now lift up easy. Right over my head. Easy. Up. I'm down.
Alright. Way to go, Bradley. Looks like you're about 40 yards back there, and he's a monster.
Big boy.
Woo-wee.
Go, Brad. You got him straight into the corner.
How to work it, Bradley. Great job, Bradley.
Very, very good.
Way to go, John.
Got him.
Oh, he's a monster. Keep working it, Bradley.
I'm going over here.
John, quick smile for the camera while Bradley works that. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Keep working it, Bradley. Nice job. I'll keep away from this line.
Good?
Yeah, I got him.
You got a picture and everything? You're good?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That one came off flat. You want to come over me?
Under.
Stay back. Stay back here, Brad. Stay back here.
Bradley, yours is the big one, so I'm just gonna try to keep mine away from you.
Right here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, big fish.
There's my hook, sorry. Got the hook.
Hold your left. There's no rods in the water over there. The only rod in the water is the diver.
A lot of action here.
Left to the left. No, don't go to the left. Go left. Go left. Turn his head. Keep tight on him. Turn that head.
Oh, he is a monster, Bradley. Gotta keep it tight.
Don't worry about that fish.
Okay.
Reel down, reel down. Get over here. Get over here. Right next to me. Get right next to me. You don't want to get him in that cable there. Surf that way. Reel down to him. Reel down. Reel down. Bring him up. Bring him up. Get that head up. Up. Got him.
Yeah, baby!
Oh, baby.
Woo!
Great battle, Bradley.
Now that should fish to end the day on.
That
Oh
is a
my
fish.
gosh.
Absolutely. We just went from 6 to 9 and we're done.
Woo!
Come on, buddy.
Oh yeah!
Very good, buddy. Very good. That, nice job, buddy. Nice job landing him.
Thank you. He inhaled it. He said 2 o'clock. That's right.
Look at that fish! Holy
Looks like I've done this
mackerel!
once or twice.
Oh, shit.
What's the other one you had?
That's
This one?
I got mine in a box. Jay's got that one.
I was trying to be a cameraman. It's tough reeling them in and holding the camera at the same time.
Yeah.
That's going to make an interesting video.
Oh my god, it's hilarious. A lot of shots of the floor. Wow.
Oh, what?
Holy mackerel.
Two-handle.
That is a
That
freaking
is incredible. Woo-wee! Nice
Fish.
job.
Bradley.
Okay, I gotta set
That was a
here.
battle. A battle.
That was
I gotta take your picture, brother.
All right, let's take the hook off. Hold him like real.
Okay.
Go. Go right up. Go. This one right here. Right along the skin. Go right there. And take the pointer finger. Go right. No. Right on this. Right here. Right on that fin. Just the pointer finger. Just right on the fin. On the back one. The back one. Back one. One closest to you. The front one there. Oh, there you go. Just there. Just like that. Now you don't see your hand, and it makes a good picture.
That is a smiling man right there.
Yeehaw!
Nice.
Wet Net Charters.
That's a 20-pounder right there, buddy.
That is
Captain Matt Yablonsky.
That's why I said we need to get an adult. That's an adult. That's all of 20 pounds right there.
Yeah.
Wet Net Charters out of Youngstown, New York. Captain Matt Yablonsky. Save this beauty for last, and Bradley reeled it in.
That's a fail.
20 pounder.
20 pounder. Beautiful fish out of Lake Ontario near Wilson, New York.